Morning, welcome to the fantastic Unilever Chefmanship Centre, where this morning we're really excited to be hosting the very first Elior Junior Chef competition. This competition is open to anybody 23 years or younger, and our aim this morning is to really get these guys infused and excited about the next part of their competition careers with Elior.
So the competition's really heating up now and the contestants are really in the thick of it. There's some great skills being shown today, and also the smells are fantastic. I personally can't wait to taste and see what they've produced.
So far, our competitors are already 45 minutes into their 2-hour competition. They have already done a superb skills test where they had to fillet either a flat or a round fish, which they're now going to make into an exciting fish main course.
So I've had an amazing experience at the Junior Chef of the Year competition. I was terrified going into it, not knowing what to expect, but it's been an amazing day. It's been really enjoyable, and had a great time.